Big day today. Already got one truck poured out. He's washing out over there. Just pulled in this old bad boy right here. Third truck just came now. Gonna be pouring out this whole driveway. We got about 3 yards of a stamped, what is it? Stoop, stairs, and a sidewalk, and then we're gonna be pouring 10 yards of that for the day. We got the boss out here finally doing some work.
Finally.
Woo! Let's go, Terry. Let's go.
Vamos, Terry.
Under the heaven.
Dios es el aire. Mira.